now comes the internship. So internship is another thing that is very different experience for everybody. Some will be in the colleges where the internship is very hectic, somewhere it is very chilled out, and some of them will be like mixed postings. So for me, it was mixed postings. Some postings were very hectic and some postings were a bit free. So you have to manage your time accordingly. So in the initial days also, I asked my seniors that which postings are to be done seriously, which postings are very hectic, which postings are very free. So you basically have to plan out accordingly. So in the times of hectic posting, what you can do is, what I did basically was to solve the MCQs. Whenever I got time, even it was for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I used to solve the MCQs of the subject that I was studying or trying to study in those days. So you can do that for sure. Another thing that happens in internship is that some of the people, or most of the people I must say, they basically hold for the prep, and they basically hold that we will not study in the internship, we would basically enjoy the internship. It is the first time you are getting the salary and it is the last year that you are spending with your friends. So it is very tempting that you fall into that trap. So it is important to enjoy, but at the same time I feel if you get disconnected from your studies for 1 year, that becomes very difficult to catch up on it. So basically I would suggest it that have breaks in between, that is very necessary. Go out with your friends, but studies are also more important, because you are gonna crack it in one attempt, then it is very good, because otherwise it becomes very hectic preparing again and again for the same exam. So what you can do is that is my suggestion also, and that's what I followed also, that you can group with those friends who are preparing seriously at that time. So I grouped with 4 or 5 of my friends that were preparing seriously. So we basically asked each other what you studied today, to remain consistent in that times also. And another thing you can get is have a partner, basically any of your friends who is preparing seriously and who is thinking a bit alike you. So that really helps to discuss MCQs and the lacunae that you are facing in your preparation, and also to discuss grant tests also. So in the internship, it is very important to have good company that helps you to study also and to enjoy also. In the internship, I would really suggest that you can now, because you have watched all of the main videos, so it is gonna have a huge advantage for you that you can use only the quick revision or rapid revision tools in the internship itself. So you can either watch the videos, or if you are thorough with the concepts, you can also read the notes only. So that saves a lot of time, and basically you are revising whole of the subject in a very concise fashion. So it really helps, and to build the consistency during the internship, because it is a very important to have consistency during the internship because of the hectic and variable work hours. So you can use the schedules, like I use the schedules that were provided by Zainab ma'am and in the Cerebellum team as well. So what I did was I used the main schedule and then I changed it according to myself, but I ensured that towards the last of the END, like there was a schedule of END after 1 week. So I have to cover these subjects in 1 week itself. Anyhow, I can mix and match the subjects, but I will definitely cover this much portion. So it really helps you to be consistent. And another thing that plays a role is that you are always afraid that your peers are going to complete this subject in this much duration. So you also have to do it. So basically you remain consistent with the schedules that are provided, along with the ENDs that definitely serve as a conclusion to that subject also, that you have done this subject, and now in the test and discussion also you now know your mistakes and the improvements that you have to do. So it really serves the goal well. And another thing that you can do to build your consistency is watch some live lectures. Because when you are interacting with the teacher, you can always ask your questions. And in the live lectures, it is very important to build the consistency, because in the live lectures, you are always gonna be, interacting with your teacher. So it helps a lot. So now internship has started. So what sources to follow? So I think quick revision videos or rapid revision videos are definitely gonna be the one that you have to follow. So if you have watched the main videos in the third and final prof also, it is gonna be a huge advantage for you. But if you have not watched the videos and have basic concepts clear enough, so then you can always go with the quick revision videos also. And internship, as we have already talked about, it is very hectic and variable for everybody. So to build the consistency, what you can do is you can watch the live lectures also. And along with that, Cerebellum's mission live lectures and the mission schedule that they provide, it is very helpful because you have now the schedule that you have to follow. So it helps you to build the consistency that now after 1 week, you have to give the END of this subject. So you have to be prepared enough for this subject so that you score well and you know your improvements and your lacunae also in the preparation. So basically follow the live schedules, live lectures, and also follow the basic schedule that they provide. It really helps to build the consistency.